most practices, I say there are three top things that must happen. Number one, safety of your patient and safety of your employees is far number one. Protection of your medical practitioner's licenses are number two. Have fun and the profitability will follow. But never lose sight of the fact that your most important asset are your employees and your staff. And a properly trained staff is probably one of the key issues in management today, and then the basics of business financials is probably the second as well. Marketing is pretty important, and it is internet-based, it is advertising-based, and you have to have the wherewithal in order to be able to pick which ones are the important ones that are going to work. Training is a very intrinsic part of running a practice because there are many parts that go into running this business. As I said before, you have operational, you have administrative, you have executive, you have things that come up every single day, and it's best that you have an outside either consulting firm or somebody that's specifically trained within your organization, a practice administrator that is properly trained in every one of these different facets of your business. There really isn't any dialogue that ever takes place educationally on running a practice. Now, don't forget that medicine is a science. Medicine in the aesthetic industry is a way to make people pretty. Medicine is a way to heal the sick and injured, but most importantly of all, in our industry, medicine is a business. And physicians normally don't have the wherewithal to handle the patient load and handle the administrative, operational issues that most practices have today. In any business, you have to always be concerned about your return on your investment. And don't be fooled by how many patients you need in order to pay off your return on your investments, because the first question you have to ask yourself is, do I have the patient load that I'm able to handle it, and can I price it accordingly with my competition? The other parts of purchasing these lasers, and that is correct, there are so many lasers out there today, and there is such confusion about which one provides which modality. But beyond the actual cost, there are training curves that you have to go through. There are marketing curves that you have to go to. You need internet-based marketing similar to that of American Health and Beauty to help provide you those leads, having stories that are written about those procedures on their website. They're optimized to be first and second in search engines, so it really does help you.